Hello everyone, I am Charan Sai, a student of Vishnu Institute of Technology, Bhimavaram, studying third BTech in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering. In this video, I have to demonstrate about the sports scheduler project which I have created. Now show the how it runs. Let's run the code. Node space server.js. Yeah, it's running. Let's open the web. It is the dashboard of our project. This post scheduler allows two types of users, administrator and players. Administrator manage ports and sessions, while player can view and join available sessions. The application is built using Node.js, Express.js, SQLize, Passport.js, and DJS. Uh, let's sign up. Create your first name like and last name Charan. Okay, let's give email. Gmail.com. Password, whatever you want. First login as admin. Yeah, we created the credentials for login. Now login to the website. To the password. Choose invalid. Yeah, the admin page is open. This admin page contains the title, date, time, venue, team limit, and description and actions. Here, the admin can create an event and manage it event, delete or make any changes in the event. Let's create an event. Yeah, this open is the title which we whatever we will give to the sport. You cricket. I already created some events with the name cricket, so I give cricket too and add your date of your sport event and time and the venue. Like Bhimavaram. And here we have to add the team limit of the sport, just like add 11 players or whatever you want. Description. Here we have to write the description of your sport, whatever you want. Okay. Here the event is created and the admin can edit or delete the event. This event can show can be joined by any player. Now let's see how the player joined this event. Now log out the page and sign up with a player like player. First name sign, last name player one. Give the email player one at the rate of password. Here we will have to log in as a player. Sign up as a player. Okay, player credentials are created. Now login as player. Word. Yeah, the player dashboard is open. Here player can see the events which have created by the 8 bits. Uh, Before we created event cricket 2. Now the player can easily join to the any event or easily unjoin by the event before the time of the event. Player can join any event which are created by the admin. And here is the login button. The player can log out from the website. Okay. Now look at the code what we have written. Here is the server.js file which is used to run the website. Here we use some of the packages like Express, CSRF, cookie parser, flash, session, and local strategies. These are the npm packages which we have used to build in this website. Now let's briefly go over the key packages that power the application. The project is built using several essential Node.js packages that help with routing, user authentication, session management, and database interactions. First, we have the Express package. It is a web framework for Node.js that simplifies routing and middleware management. It's the backbone of the application, handling all HTTP requests and responses efficiently. The next one is ByteCrypt. It is for secure password storage. ByteCrypt is used. It hashes user password before they are stored in the database, adding an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. The next one is CSRF token. It is used to prevent cross-site request forgery attacks. We use CSRF. This middleware ensures that every form submitted to the server includes a valid CSRF token, protecting against malicious requests. The next one is cookie parser. Um, it is used to parse incoming request bodies, allowing the system to handle from submissions and JSON data easily. Cookie parser is included to manage cookies which are essential for tracking user sessions securely. The next one is um, Connect Flash. We use Connect Flash to display flash messages to users. These messages provide feedback such as successful login or registration and inform users about errors in the real time. The next one is Passport. Um, it is used for user authentication. We rely on Passport.js, which is a powerful middleware. We have configured the local storage to authenticate users based on email and password, ensuring that only valid users can access protected routing. The next one is Express Session. Express Session are managed using Express Session, which allows users to store user sessions data securely across multiple requests. For ensuring that only login users can access certain pages, we use Connect Ensure Login, which protects sensitive routing by checking if user is authenticated or not. Next one is we use the SQLized database here. For database management, we are using SQLite that allows us to interact with our database seamlessly. It simplifies querying and updating data with easy to use models and ensure data consistency across the applications. To summarize these packages together, provide a solid foundation for building secure, efficient, and scalable application for authentication to session management and database interactions. Each package plays a crucial role in ensuring the system runs smoothly. Here we create a SQLized data. Here we use sorry, here we use SQLite database. For the SQLite database, for you first we have to create a database for users, the users who have login in the website. For this, we have to keep the data for as his first name, last name, and type either he is a user or not is a player or admin, his email, password, and role. The next database we created is events. Uh, the events which are created by the admin are displayed in the database, which contains ID, title, date, time, venue, team limit, and description. And finally, admin ID. Each admin ID is unique, which I have provided by the database whenever the new event is added by the admin. These player events can be accessed by the players by their user credentials, which contains of the player ID and event ID. Here we use async functions to synchronize our database, and for middleware setup we use body parser, cookie parser, and CSRF and Flash. Coming to this password configuration, it consists of two fields, email and password. If if the user entered his email and password, if the email or password anyone is wrong, it shows a message to the user as user not found or invalid password. And here in this project we have used so many routes like sign up, index, login, admin dashboard, create event, edit event, and player dashboard. This route is used to render the from home page to the sign up page to register for new player or admin, which consists fields like first name, last name, email, password, and role. This login route is used to render for a player to log into the website. If the player already have an account, he can simply click on sign in to log in to the website. After, if he can log in as admin, he is redirected to the admin dashboard, or if he can log in as a player, he is redirected to the player dashboard. Otherwise, it shows unauthorized. This router is used to run create events by the admin. After creating the events, the player can log in as using his credentials and render to the player dashboard. He can simply join by clicking join, or he can left from the spot by easily simply click on unjoin. In this way, we have created the project by using these different routes. If he can want to log out from the player dashboard or admin dashboard, he simply click on logout and redirected to the home page. This is the code which I have written for admin dashboard, which contains a title, date, time, venue, team limit, description, and action. It consists a submit button or and delete and edit button also. This is the home page which I have created, which contains login and if contains two fields, email and password for sign in of a user, and this is sign up page for registering the user which has not do not have already registered in the website. He has to give the inputs of first name, last name, email, and password, and registered as player or admin, whatever he want. And this edit event is used to manage the events which are already created by the admin. Now let's see if the data is stored in database of or not of the admin user and type of events. Let's open the database. This is a database browser for SQLite I have installed. Here we have to go to the open database and go to our file location. Here the database. Now open it. Here we have to run the SQL queries uh, to see our data. Let's see of the users data. Write a query, search star from users. Let's run it. It shows the users who has login registered in the website, and we have also see the data of events which was created by the admin. Yeah, these are the events which were created by the admin, like cricket, and some of the games are here. And we also see the players who registered the games. Here, player events. Let's execute the query. Here we have see the player ID, event ID, and created time. Can see from the database, or we can manipulate the data by using simply executing the SQL queries. I think this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.